Understanding Worn Out, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, and it's a phrase that you might hear quite often in English conversations: worn out. We are going to explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it better. So, let's dive right in and get started. Worn out is an adjective phrase used to describe something or someone that is extremely tired or exhausted, or something that has been used so much that it is no longer in good condition. When referring to a person, worn out conveys a sense of complete exhaustion. For example, if someone has been working all day without taking a break, they might say, "I am completely worn out." On the other hand, when referring to an object, worn out describes something that is damaged or deteriorated due to excessive use. For instance, a pair of shoes that has been worn for many years might be described as worn out. Now that we understand what worn out means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. For people, "I've been cleaning the house all day, and now I'm just worn out." After the marathon, the runners were completely worn out. For objects, "These shoes are worn out, I need to buy a new pair." "My favorite t-shirt is worn out from wearing it so much." In all these examples, worn out is used to express a state of exhaustion or deterioration. It's also important to note that worn out should not be confused with wearing out. Wearing out is the progressive form and indicates that something is in the process of becoming worn out. Incorrect. "My shoes is worn out." Correct. "My shoes are worn out." Incorrect. "After running for just a mile, I am wearing out." Correct. "After running a marathon, I am worn out." Pay attention to the context and tense to ensure you are using the phrase correctly. And that's it for today's lesson on the phrase, worn out. We hope you now have a better understanding of what it means and how to use it correctly in sentences. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using worn out in your own sentences to get comfortable with it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.